Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I am your prosperity coach. People been asking, how do I start a credit repair business? I'm glad you asked, all right? So one, you don't have to have a license. All you need is a system. That's it. You need a system. What do I mean by that? A system that will help people learn themselves. That way you are not there having to learn at school or in an online class for years and months, right? If you got an already done system like my do-it-yourself system, you can earn while you learn. So if you still wanted to, learn this system, you can still do it. But the beautiful thing about it is that you get to share it while you learn it. All right. So know this. Everybody may not be like you, right? Somebody can do this whole system in a few hours, right? But here you are saying, well, I'm just going to wait and, to share it with people until I get it all down packed. Well, baby, do you know there's some geniuses in this world? Don't you know that it don't take some people, months or years to do anything? Right? So you could be stopping somebody else from getting rich because you are waiting until you figure it out. It's not about you, baby. It's about the people out there who are ready to take action, ready to get their credit scores done today. They don't want to wait on you to go through 12 modules. They want the information for themselves. All right. So if you want to go ahead and get rich and learn while you earn, you can learn while you get rich, or you can just learn. Then get rich. I don't know about you, but that's a whole lot of learning before I get rich. I want to get rich while I learn this information, guys. That's what I did. I didn't wait. I got in this business, and I knew it was people that was out here smarter than me. I knew it was people who had more time than me. By me running a tow truck business, a moving company, doing multi-level marketing, opening up a juice bar, flipping houses. I didn't have, 10 hours out of the day to watch videos. I didn't have, 5 hours of the day to learn investment strategies. I didn't have 5 hours out of the day to learn, how to adjust your W-4. I did not have the time, friends. I did not have the time. All right. But I knew it was people that had more time than me, and I knew it was people that was way smarter than me. And so I just told people what I had. I said, you know what? Look, I'm learning this credit stuff. I'm learning these investment strategies. I'm learning how I can lower my taxes. I'm learning all this amazing stuff. But listen now, I don't know a whole lot about it, but I have a system that I'm taking the time out every single day to learn this stuff. And if you want this information, I'll give it to you. But I just don't have a whole lot of time. But I know it's some really good information. And so when I told them that, they said yes. So let me tell you something what happened. She said yes. She went out and earned, $30,000 in like 3 weeks or maybe a month. I'm lying. It was probably about 30 days. 30,000 in 30 days. She went out and did it. And guess what? I earned money too because I the one told her about it. So I was excited about that. Now I didn't earn $30,000, but hold on, let me keep that straight. I didn't earn $30,000. However, the $5,000 that I earned, I was happy with that because guess what? I was learning. I didn't tell nobody but her about it, and I was learning, so it didn't matter. But now that I am out here telling the world about what I learned, I wish I had done it sooner, but because I'm out here telling the world what I learned now, I'm riding good. I'm living good. Got my dog sitting in my lap. I'm living my best life, okay? And so I want to help you earn you some additional income while you fix your credit, while you learn investment strategies, while you learn how to lower your taxes, while you learn the rules of the money game, friends. All right. So what you need to do is first subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you are part of this I don't know what I'm about to say. Just make sure you are part of my YouTube channel because I put some good videos out and I make sure you guys learn some stuff. All right, so click the link in the bottom of this video. It should say www.doityourself. My bad. It should say www.diysmartcredit.com, guys. Yes, indeed. www.diysmartcredit.com. Go ahead, get my cheat sheets. I'm going to show you how to cheat your scores up 100, 200 points. I don't know, but I know it's going to help you out. So go ahead and grab it, and I will see you guys on the inside. Now, hold on. If you are ready to start a business, I need you to go ahead and email me. Email me right now and say, Sabrina, I'm ready to get rich. Because you can learn while you earn. All right, guys? So I'll see you on the inside. Bye-bye now.